Hey everybody, today we are trying a new product for our chickens. It's basically growing some wheat and then we're going to cut them up and put them in their pen or whatever you want to call it for them to munch on. Here's what we're doing. We are using the Thunder Acres, and let me post a pic real quick of how we start it in our bowl. Once we get it outside, this is a full week here. We're going to cut it up and we're going to give it to the ladies. See how they like it. Gonna cut it up and give it to the hungry ladies over there. Oh man, look at that. Okay. Let's see, are they eating it? Oh yeah. Perfect. Our eggs have been delicious as it is. Hopefully this will make the chickens even healthier and produce even more.